What is an explainer video and why does your business need it? An explainer animation video is the best way to introduce users to your product. It doesn't matter if you're launching a new project or want to promote an existing one. Short videos with maximum use for the viewer will help you get record-breaking coverage of your target audience. Benefits of explainer videos: greater engagement of the target audience, additional advertising for your product or service, building brand reputation. Your potential customers feel cared for as you share useful information with them. Even if the commercial is more promotional but humorous, you'll be thanked for the good cheer. It grabs audience attention. Can these be made by themselves? Yes, of course. Many companies don't want to shoot and edit videos themselves. They can take time, can get frustrating. That's why at Roberts Media we take care of it so you don't have to.